Alright, y'all, so welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. We are in Dollar Tree again. I don't know if I'm going to combine this video with the one that we just did or if I'm going to do separate videos. We'll see how long this one is. Look at this notebook. It says good vibes only. What does this one say? It's a rocket ship. Go back in there. And the blue one is Brainstorm. I like the blue one. That's cute. Brainstorm. Notes. And notes. These are cute. And these have the different color paper. Goal Getter. We did see these before. They're up at the front. Again, there was another little one. This one, Thoughts with the raindrops. Pencil pouch, Crayola, blue, Crayola, and green, orange. They all say Crayola, yeah. Push pin, some pens and pencils. There's the markers that we just saw. The other one is a dinosaur, is the llama, Journey to the Stars. Little pop-in notebook. King of the Jungle, the tabs. Good little ice cream. Little ice cream pom-pom. The coloring boxes. They say Crayola. Yep, I already feel like this video is going to be too long. So I'm going to just do two separate videos. I don't like to make the Dollar Tree videos too long. Journey through the Stars. A little keychain. The llama. The weekly planners here again. Magnetic bulletin cork frames. So there's a pen set, scented highlighter, pen, and bookmark. So Jolly Rancher, Mike and Ike's, Icy, and Fruit Loops. Some more spiral notebooks. Organizer pens, some regular pens, magnetic locker, box pocket, and they do have the magnetic tins and the cup holders here too. Okay. A lot of fairy houses over here. Home. Let's see. There's some more notebooks over here. Like a textured finish. Is purple, teal. Another one. What is this? Purple, light blue, teal, pink. Some portfolios. Spider-Man. And a dinosaur. Oh, look at the glitter compositions. Purple and teal, the other colors. That's a star. A star, and what is this other one? This one has this on it. The heart. Heart, and the pink one has the glasses. Pretty. You're doing great. Let's see. All the hearts and the more ice cream cones. Wild. It's the gamer pad one. I think we actually passed these. I looked at them and passed them in the other store, so it's a good thing they do have them in here. So I can show them to you guys. Unicorn vibes. Notes. Be kind. Pencil pouches. Dinosaurs. Okay. And if you missed any, if I'm passing anything, it's because we looked at it in the other Dollar Tree video. So make sure you check that one out if you didn't see it. Some clipboards in here. And some dry erase boards. These are full dinosaur lining, purple lining, and the orange. These little things are cute. I'm gonna pick these up for the girls for the 4th. These are pretty. Walk right past the little clips. Get a hair clip. Butterfly. Scrunchies, a pearl. So that's the stars. All these. The line is long. I think I've already determined I'm not stopping at that line. This is so cute though. This stuff is probably not going to be here when I get back. Look at this. Riley's going to look at the video and say, Mom, why didn't you get me this? This is cute. I'm right against the wall, so I hope it's not shadowing it out too bad. And then you have these right here. Some more roses, scrunchies. Clips. Uh-oh, almost fell. Let me get those up. Like what they're doing with the little rose clips. And then book bags. These are 5. Oh, these feel nice, these scissors. Compact mirror. This line is long, so maybe I'm not gonna get that because this line is too long. I don't even want to wait at all. These are cute. Yeah, he was explaining to her the line. Yeah, I'll probably jump back in here another day. Still have the lash, compact mirrors. Hand cream, rejuvenating style. Energetic sandalwood, amber. Oh, these are this is the same stuff that but they just had it all together in the other little store. Eyeshadow for little girls. And there's the fragrances. There's strawberry and blueberry. I get these for Riley. She loves those. She loves those. You can't tell her she is not doing it when she leaving and putting her little perfume on. They do have a little bit of the sprinkle nail polish and the lip gloss, so I got that for her too. Wizard, some carpet and room deodorizers. Freshly folded linen. This one is Hawaiian Retreat. And where's the scent? Oh, carpet and room pet odor deodorizer with baking soda. Okay, so it's just a folded linen and a Hawaiian Retreat. Blueberry Bat Blast, Hawaiian, lavender, and fresh linen in the sprays. Sunny Citrus, Soothing Lavender, natural all-purpose cleaners, some cute little birthday cards. Happy birthday. But thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, shopping around with me in Dollar Tree. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it wasn't too short, but like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Project Black and White self-adhesive paper letters. Oh, I didn't see those. I walked right past them. Okay.